Oh, we gotta get this thing thumping. Du vet, den är byggd som en soptunna är byggd. It turned. It's a weird shifter. Not that I can tell. First sign, did you see that? Old Ray. Bumping stereo system. Beautiful engineering. With the hand-drawn shift pattern. We got another free light bulb! Fumare lo cigarette. Ooh! Either. Oh! We never knew about Godona. The old jug of fuel. Oh no! Welcome back to another video with Low and Snow, where we've got a 1974 Renault 4 we're gonna get going today. And if you haven't seen the first part of this rescue, go ahead and check it out on our channel, because there was actually two cars sitting here. First one, massive success. Car number 2, this is the 1974 one, chrome front end. Close to the same, but I promise you, what we're gonna find inside the car and what we're gonna end up having to do will probably be very different. So hang in there and watch car number 2. So what do we know about this thing? Nothing except it has a key. We haven't turned it over. And this must have gotten brand new studded tires before it was parked. There's not a single stud missing. We moved some stuff around and we freed this side up so we don't dent it while moving it. Look at that. It's free. Now let's start poking around. This thing is full of scaffolding and car parts, and it's really weighed down. We're gonna empty it out and see what we've got in there. But the car parts, we're gonna be careful with. He wants to keep that stuff, so we'll be careful. I love these mechanical rear gates. All right, Mercedes stuff. Big old Mercedes grille. Ooh, slightly bigger radiator than this car has. Probably Mercedes. Some kind of gearbox. 2 gearboxes. Alltså, prova ta nästa. That's most of the car parts. Now it's mainly scaffolding. Undrar om den har åkt upp någonting. Ja jävlar! Åh! Man ser flera millimeter för varje grej du tar ut. This thing was very weighed down. Oj, vad är det här? Det är baksätet. All right, so we got the rear seat. Looks decent. Holes ready made for big speakers. Something like that. Speaker cables. Oh, we gotta get this thing thumping.
Ja, man kan lägga ner den i ladd.
Kolla om den var helt. Ja. Wow. Du vet, den är byggd som en soptunna är byggd. Släng en motor i den där soptunnan. I'm not going to talk too much about what we had to do with the first car, but one thing I do know is the crank is super hard to get to and there's not a single bolt in the middle. So we're going to have to try and turn this over by hand, just grabbing the pulley. And this thing feels more stuck. Det här måste vara friläge. För där är en annan. Där är friläge.
Lägg den runt.
Försöka dra i remmen, tänker du, eller? Oj!
Sådär.
Oj! It turned! Oh yeah!
Ja.
Oh yeah! Is it in gear maybe? It's a weird shifter. Yeah. Ooh!
Wow.
Has this thing got more compression? That felt really good. It's smooth, but it's like it's got good compression. Because the gearbox is definitely not turning. But we need to do what we always do. Get the spark plugs out, get some lubrication in there, see what they look like, and clean them up before we try and turn this thing over.
God. Money shot. Money shot. Helvete.
The spark plugs do look quite sooty, and the gap looks pretty big, but otherwise there's nothing wrong with this spark plug. Not that I can tell. Alright, so we haven't quite hooked the battery up yet. We're gonna clean the points, but inside of the distributor looks really good. Are we gonna be able to use this cap and these leads? But we'll start with the points. We're gonna connect the battery and check for signs of life. First sign, did you see that? Windshield wipers. So we've obviously got no lights up front, but we do in the rear. One rear light works. Indicators? No. Well, we'll just call one a win. All right, so something works. Let's check inside. All right. We already know this thing had a bump-in stereo system. Oh, some premium wiring as well. And leather straps holding the doors in place. Such beautiful engineering. Otherwise, looks pretty stock to me. We got some signs of life up here, instrument cluster. We got the famous umbrella shifter with the hand-drawn shift pattern. This thing honestly is exciting to me. Other than that, rust protection from Renault. Oh, pouch for your original Renault papers. There's an inspection that this car passed 1998. 28 years ago. Scraper, King of Sweden, 1983. He wasn't the king then, obviously.
And free light bulb.
Oh! Seb is right! We got another free light bulb! That's why we're in the old car business. Free light bulbs. And this obviously goes here. When you've fumé le cigarette, you can disposable de cigarette dans la fac. Seb is gonna jump in there and we're gonna do the most exciting thing. We're gonna try and crank the engine over. Nothing. Same thing, I guess. We're gonna start cleaning fuses and cables. We're not getting crank, but we are getting 12 volts up to the starter. So we're gonna try and give it a couple of love taps while Sebbe cranks the engine. Här har vi fläskkabeln till raka vägen till batteriet. We're gonna try 12 volts to the solenoid with the cheater switch, see if that turns it over. It does, but we left a belt kind of hanging off there. We want to remove that first. All right, check it out. Turns over, distributor looks good, but obviously we've got no belts for the fan, so that stuff's not turning. But now we need to chase spark. Nej. Hyfsat mycket större den här generatorn var.
Vad fan ska den driva stereon eller?
Jo, den är installerad 95, den här, när någon lompis gangster ville ha stereo.
Vi kör väl på... Nej.
Yeah. Spark. Good old spark. All right, we got all the important stuff. We got oil. We've lubricated the cylinders. We got spark. It's in neutral, I hope. Let's try it. Half choke. Ooh! ran out of carb cleaner. Oh!
Cleaner! Oh!
Shot ruined! Shot ruined! Woohoo! So easy. Sounds good. And this one's also full of coolant. We don't know if it's circulating, and we've got no fan. We're gonna try and get a fuel supply because we've been here for ages. We're really excited, but we need to try and move this thing because we need these things out of here. We're gonna get out the old jug of fuel. It's so good when you've got no belts on your engine, nothing's turning, so you can just smash a can of fuel straight in there. No worries, mate. We're gonna check if the fuel pump works by disconnecting the incoming fuel line. Fuel line disconnected, nothing in the way. Whoa. Oh yeah. We're gonna see if we can get it to run off the gas. Let's go. Ja, den här filmar. Okej. Ja. Alltså den här rör inte på sig. Vi kommer få prova vinscha. Det här är ju ett dött träd. Tänk om vi fäller det, tror jag. Rulla bak. Ser du bakhjulet? Båda! Den här kämpar inte ens. Den här kämpar inte ens. Snart rullar den ner mot LK-korsningen, ser du det? Det måste varit groparna som höll den så där hårt. Gropanna. Gropanna. Oh no! Not the rhubarb! Alltså nu ner till LK-korsningen. Okej, startknapp. Ja. Alltså, tryck in choken.
Så den bromsar.
Nej, jag har inte ens provat. Alltså, lyssna.
Wow. Men du, nu går den bara.
Wow! That's it for the Will It Run part of these two Renault 4s. We're really stoked and things could not have gone much better. There's still plenty to do on these things and our other upcoming projects. But for now, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to check out the merch on our website. This is our very first print, designed by us, hand-drawn by me, and it's printed in our hometown. Available in both black and white. We'll ship these things worldwide. Thank you for watching and see you next time.